Welcome to day 3 of the 7-day mindful drawing challenge for self-discovery and inner transformation. Woo! It's an important day today because day 1, day 2, we were still working with what's inside us. But day 3, we are taking the step into the unknown, taking the step into the new world. This challenge is inspired by Hero's Journey, and I'm using Harry Potter to show you the stage of Hero's Journey that are correlated with our days. So at this stage, Harry Potter finally goes through the platform 3, 4? I can't remember. Goes through the platform, goes on the train, and appears in Hogwarts. So this is the first appearance in the completely new world. This unknown place is calling you with the adventure, and hopefully you're curious to discover it. So before we start drawing, as always, close your eyes, scan your body, and find that place of anticipation or fear, the part of you that senses the unknown. Notice how it feels. Give it a shape and a color, just like we did on day 1 and 2. Draw a circle in your sketchbook. This is your safe space to explore this new world. This time, I want to give you 2 options to help you with this process. First is more fluid and intuitive. Begin by sketching the shape of that initial feeling. Let your hand move with it. It could be wobbly, open, nervous, excited, whatever shows up. Then, add a symbol of stepping into the unknown. It might be a doorway, a path, a landscape. For example, in my drawing, I instinctively drew a door, but your symbol might be completely different. Let your imagination lead. Stay with that feeling and build on the image slowly until it feels complete. Now, the second option is for those who feel stuck or unsure. You can start by sketching a door within the circle, clear symbol of transition. Then, inside this door, fill the space with shapes, colors, or symbols that reflect what stepping into the unknown feels like to you. Think wonder, fear, joy, possibility. You can also draw the old world around that door if it helps to create contrast. My drawing didn't include that because it was just a sketch, but I did notice it was subconsciously inspired by my daughter's Easter card. Once your drawing feels complete, let it speak to you. Start by writing down 5 words that describe what you see. They can be visual, like doorway, igloo, secret, or emotional, like ready, unsure, curious. Next, write a short poem from the drawing's perspective, starting with I am. Let this poem express the part of you that is ready to step forward, even if another part is still afraid. Finally, write a message of encouragement from your drawing to you, something that gives permission to take a step. For example, you don't have to see the whole way, just open the door. So this is your drawing, a map of your courage. The unknown is no longer untouched. It's yours now to explore step by step. So that's it for day 3. You finally entered the new, exciting, maybe scary world. Let me know how it was in comments or join our Telegram group if you're not there already, and share your drawings, your insights, and ask me any questions you want. So well done for doing this brave step. This journey ahead is going to be even more interesting. So thank you to walking it with me, and I'll see you in day 4. Bye-bye.